Merry Christmas one and all. You know, I say a Christmas day and I not to do no video work in idea. But you know, with them things here, you don't really choose when. At the store them choose you. I just get a notification from one of my online media app. Says Jack's sister arrested for attempting to smuggle drugs into the United States. I mean, I said, blurting star. It's like alone Sunday evening, the breaking news and with Jack 10 happen. Because when them punch up in face when them punch up in face at Bahamas, it was on a Sunday evening. I mean, I say it's like a deja vu star. Soon circle. Prison on a bed of roses. The living teeth makes me ball. I wish that Jack could come and take us back in time. Cause I swear I can be a better man. Yes, I swear. If only you could understand. The faith in me shall set me free. Reflection. I mean, I wonder if she never hear that song this still. Like, I wonder if she and her brother never sung a reason about that song and her brother never show her the ropes. You see me the pan. So now she has found herself in hot water. I don't know, pot water. It says Jack's sister, Jack's sister caught smuggling cocaine into the United States. A female relative of reggae recording artist Jack was arrested on Wednesday, December 21 in Florida after she was caught attempting to smuggle cocaine into the United States. But me I try to look, I can't out of desperation for money. Well, unless she and her brother have a good relationship because her brother is a very wealthy man. You understand? And she must go and link up her brother if she have financial issues and say, big bro, you know, so me I look at things. And I know I'm going to send it on, you understand what I mean? I say, so, well, people do things for various reasons. I guess it's just probably independent and I try to look it on her own still. It says, according to information which was revealed from the Broward Sheriff's Office, Mckadia Damale Alcok, 29, was arrested by U.S. Marshals at the Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport and charged with possession of cocaine. The 29-year-old is being held prior to trial at the Paul Ray Detention Facility in Pompano Bay, Florida. You understand? But I assume some more details surrounding this incident will be available soon. So this is all the details at the moment. But yeah, interesting though. So young lady has spent her Christmas in a slammer. That's unfortunate though. You understand what I say? You don't wish these things for nobody for no reason at all. You understand? Freedom golden. Some of the pan. I mean, I try meds out as to why she would do it. But as me I say, you never know a person's situation and different people do things for different reasons still. You understand what I say? Well, I guess she must have reflect on as a John no star. Zane. I mean, very few people I get to with them and something nowadays. No matter how well you conceal, no matter how you swallow it, no matter how you put it in your body cavities, they might find it. You understand? If a dog sniff it out or the x-ray machine show up or people panic and give it themselves. So we need to be more careful still. You understand what I say? I mean, I say it's unfortunate. It's just like, it's a little curse for the family. I mean, I just said, be someone go on, you know, Jackie was spending much years in prison for rape. You understand what I say? No, his sister gone to prison. You understand what I say? So it's a little trend thing. See me, it's very unfortunate though. So I say, all of the teaching family, open and enjoy on Christmas, open the family good, eat, drink, have fun, be merry. Oh. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.